Today we're going to be talking about our JumboSwitch T1 E1-over-IP interface card, the TC3845-1. The easiest way to find any of our products is by referencing our product matrix. Simply choose your transport column, followed by your interface row, and the product you're looking for will be at that intersection. The TC3845-1 can be found under the Ethernet column under the T1 row. Each product number is clickable from our product matrix, and the link will take you to the web page for that product. The TC3845-1 transports up to 4 channels of T1 or E1 over Layer 2 and 3 Ethernet networks with low latency. It is a TDM-over-IP Ethernet-based solution designed to emulate time division multiplexing over packet-switched networks. The TC3845-1 is typically used for replacing copper T1 lines as well as the connection of existing T1 or E1 channel banks, often as a part of a network migration. Let's talk about some of the features of the TC3845-1. As previously mentioned, the product is ideal for T1 channel bank replacement, easy to configure, offers extremely low latency, and supports point-to-point and point-to-multipoint topologies. The TC3845-1 comes equipped with built-in temperature and power sensors and meets or exceeds IEC 61850-3, IEEE 1613, and NEMA TS2 standards. As with all TC Communications products, the TC3845-1 can operate within a standard temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, and an extended temperature option is available from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. Looking at mounting options, the most supplied TC3845-1 is housed in what we call our standalone unit, or rack-mountable 1U, 2U, or 4U are also available. For more information, please visit TCComm.com. You can find any of our products by clicking the drop-down in the top right corner of our homepage. And to view our product matrix, you can scroll down to right here. You can also get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner of our homepage. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thank you for watching.